walking on a slanted floor. I don't know who I am no more. You shifted all the gravity. You took the better half of me. I'm checking on the altitude. I'm changing up the attitude. The compass spinning in the hand. I'm lost inside the holy land. I lean left, I lean right. I'm stumbling in the middle of the night.
You got me moving off axis.
Spinning round.
I think I need a little practice.
Hold it down, hold it down.
I'm tilted to the side. I'm sliding on the ice. I'm willing to pay the heavy ticket price. You got me moving off axis.
Yeah, I'm gone.
Yeah, it's a geometry problem that I can't solve. I'm watching the situation dissolve. You put a magnet in the pocket of the jean. You were the coldest thing I ever seen.
6 degrees of separation. I'm waiting for the heavy confirmation. So tip the glass and let it spill. I'm paying for the heavy thrill. User control. Body, soul, I decide.
You got me moving off axis. Spinning around, spinning around. I think I need a little practice.
Hold it down, hold it down.
I'm tilted to the side. I'm sliding on the ice. I'm willing to pay the heavy ticket